Hello and welcome back. I have some really fun comparison for you today. So I'm going to compare La Pavoni versus Flair Neo. Okay, so I'm using a Flair Neo. Flair Neo comes with pressurized baskets, and then I'm going to swap with non-pressurized. So we are going to compare apple to apple with La Pavoni, and then I'm going to be using 13 gram of espresso with the same grinder setting. And then instead of making espresso, we are going to pour the shot, and then let's make Americano. So we can kind of like compare the taste, okay, instead of espresso. So let's get going. As you can see, the shot looks amazing. Smells very fruity and very bright as well. You know what? Before I'm gonna make Americano, I'm just gonna have a quick sip. Cheers. It's fantastic. It's really good, very bright. The problem with Flair, the managing the heat is the number one issue. Okay, so you have to be, everything needs to be hot. Hotter is the better. Comes to the water cylinder as well as the portafilter as well. So just once you get it down, I think you're gonna make wonderful espresso. But since I'm going to make Americano, so let's try with. I'm gonna put some water here. So let's try the Americano here. Actually, long black. Wow, it's very fruity, smooth. Okay, it's really good. Okay, really good. I can't wait to try the La Pavoni with our same settings. So I'm going again. I'm using Ethiopia beans from Good Brothers, and then I'm using both 13 gram as well. 13 gram basket, exactly same grinder setting too. So it's gonna be. I think we are comparing somewhat apple to apple. So let's get going on La Pavoni. it was 13 gram in and 23 gram out. I guess I prefer like 1:2 ratio, but it's okay. I don't mind 1 to maybe 1.5 ratio. I mean, I'm okay with it. Smells really good. So let's make a long black on this one as well. So got my hot water ready. Again, overall, it smells wonderful. So let's try this. Cheers. Wow. You know what? They're both really, really good. Hold on, let me go back to with the Flair Americano. I mean long black. Okay. The Flair has, I think the La Pavoni has a more full body texture over Flair. I think the main reason for that is just the heat, okay, just the hot water hitting into the ground beans. Because with the La Pavoni, pretty much you are putting in boiling hot water. I mean, everything is so hot, okay. As you can see from here, I mean, this boiler is just, you can't even touch it, so hot. So obviously, especially brewing like Ethiopia beans, I mean, there's more like light to medium beans there, so they require more heat to bring out more flavor. So, but again, if you manage the heat well on Flair, I think you're gonna get, I mean, as good as La Pavoni comes to the quality of the shot. But again, I think I didn't do good job on heating up the water tank for the Flair. So because you have to really heat it up properly. I think other than that, I mean, they're pretty much neck and neck. Comes to like long black coffee, it's hard to tell the difference. Except, I think again, I think La Pavoni has more fuller taste, the fuller profile on flavor. So, I mean, both fantastic. Obviously, there's huge price difference there as well. I mean, Flair Neo, you are looking at what, 125 or so with non-pressurized baskets, and La Pavoni, I believe, starting around $600. So that's huge price difference. Again, with the Flair, you have to do some work. You have to dial in the hot water properly. I think that's the key. The grinder setting, I mean, that's not a problem there. I mean, 13 gram dose. I mean, I actually like 13 gram over like 14 or 15. So I think that 13 is really manageable dosing amounts. So anyway, if you have any question or comment, I mean, what do you guys think? I mean, if you guys have the money, you guys go with Flair or La Pavoni. I think, I mean, obviously, if I have the money, I go with the La Pavoni. But I mean, Flair is really easy to use. I mean, you can take anywhere. If you go on camping or even short hiking trip, you can actually put that in your backpack. You can have some really good espresso. Even better, yeah, you're going to have some really good Americano on the trail. So anyway, I hope you guys like this video. If you have any question or comment, down below as well. Make sure to follow me on Instagram too. See you guys next time.